Sir Isko Moreno.
People love Yorme Isko Moreno for a variety of reasons. His dashing good looks, his undeniable wit, and his compassionate heart. Isko started making a name for himself in the 1990s as a matinee idol. He starred in various TV shows and films, making hearts flutter on his way to stardom. From the entertainment realm, he delved into the world of politics and brought about meaningful impact and positive change. Whether as an actor or a public servant, Isko never fails to carry himself with unparalleled finesse. He's a beacon of dedication and excellence. And now that he's indeed back in the spotlight, he will surely captivate the audience with his timeless charm and versatile talent. He's ready to inspire more people through his craft. Everyone's overjoyed to witness him continue his shining journey with sparkle. Congratulations, Isko Moreno.
Actually, pinag-uusapan namin ni Wing-Wing kanina. Parang atrasado yung dating ko. Nahiya naman ako doon sa nawis. Sumisirin ang isa mga katawan. Pero ang galing ng Sparkle yung merong Sparkle Hunks. Bagay na bagay sila. Congratulations sa Sparkle.
Kaya ako po kasunod doon kasi na-late lang, pero kasama talaga siya doon.
Kami yung extension. Yung past.
Yung pinapanood mo yung journey mo. Kasi nakita natin yung mga pictures mo noong, hindi ko na sabihin yung mga detalye.
Okay, kahapon naman.
Ano pakiramdam na pinapanood mo yan?
One, I'm always grateful to God. Now, without you, Guru, I am nobody. Nowhere. I always believe in God, first and foremost. But I'm always grateful also to Jemmy, to the Jimenez, to the Duabi, to Goson, top executive of GMA, through a concept created and collaborated with Quijans, the afternoon show. That's entertainment. I was given an opportunity, so with that, talagang kaya nung pumirma ako sa Sparkle, sabi ko nga noon, it's good to be home. To be back.
Yes! Welcome home, Yorme.
And with that, I would like to thank the Sparkle family, Annette, Mama Annette, Joy, Tracy, si Will, hanggang madaling araw, ka-text ko yun. Napakasipa. I love you, Will.
Wow!
Napakasipa. And to the entire Sparkle again, nagulat ako. Ano yung picture talaga? Buti na lang, hindi pa nyo nakita yung sa Seiko. Nahanap ko sa Seiko kasi pinakabahan na ako.
Dahil nabanggit mo Yorme, mamaya-maya meron na yan.
Again, thank you GMA, thank you Sparkle. It's if I may borrow, kanina may nagsalita ritong beauty queen. Kalimutan ko lang sino sa kanila. This is a way of reinventing myself. Again, in showbiz. My first love. And an industry that gave me opportunity to better myself in a particular field. And it cannot be denied. It catapulted me to another career. It helped me. Marami rin naman ako. Now, full-time here. Hopefully, actually, taking kami sa kabila. Doing TikTok Club as guest co-host. Thank you, TikTok Club. Alas-darasan mo, wala naman akong ginagawa lately.
Pero tayo dun, Yorme, you spoke a little bit about your future. How excited are you about your future with the talent management? Anything that you would like to look forward to or unlock in that future with Summer?
Well, I'm looking forward for more work, of course. When I'm into something, I always focus. I'm happy with Black Rider. Congratulations, GMA7 Kapuso. Galing ng Black Rider. Or to the GMA News and Public Affairs. Congratulations. At kakanta raw kami sa US Tour. Sigurado kayo para kayo nyo. Parang breaking heart lang mapanood yun. At dying inside. So we might go to US and Canada. More or less. And hopefully to the sister station, we might have some kind of show also. Busy naman, awa ng Diyos. Grateful. Maraming ginagawa. At maraming pang gagawin. I was told by Spark.
Yorme, maraming salamat po.
Oy, thank you.
We are so excited pa po for what's to come. Congratulations!
Thank you.
And I'm sure, because we're live streaming right now, nabanggit niyo ako, US Tour, Canada doon, kaya tayo mga kapusing na nanonood dyan ngayon. So, abangan nyo.
Mga kapuso natin sa Amerika, sa Canada. Ang tabayalan nyo kami dyan. Darating kami dyan. Sila Alden. I'll see you there in Canada and US. California.
Yorme, maraming salamat po kayo. Salamat po, Yorme.
Congratulations!
Moreno.
Yes, sir, Martha! Scan the QR code. Let's see what's revealed.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing this.
Yes, Sir Martha. Diba, dito kailangan natin ang sinking page sa dami ng project ni Yasser sa GMA.
Pinag-isip pa yun sa lagay na yun.